Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you pay for Netflix using PayMaya. So here's what you need to understand. To pay for Netflix using PayMaya, now Maya app, you could use your Maya virtual card details when subscribing to Netflix. So before you can use your Maya virtual card, you need to add funds to it, and you can do this at Maya Loaded Up or Maya Load Up partner like TouchPay or 7-Eleven and all that. So what you could do is, here first of all you want to make sure to create your account. So I'm going to type in netflix.com and enter in your information and get started with that, after which you will then be able to type in your password accordingly. So now you have to choose a plan, so click on the next button and make sure to go ahead and select the plan as well. Now it's time for you to choose a payment. So basically what you need to do is enter in the Maya's debit card information or the virtual card details. All you need to do is enter in the card number, expiry date, CVV and name on the card. And with that being said, click on the start membership button. If you've made it successfully, then you'll be able to receive a confirmation or a notification through your email stating that you've successfully paid for Netflix using PayMaya. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.